What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Hey, y'all. I took a poll a couple days ago, well, about a week ago, to see which one y'all would rather me do, lamb or shrimp curry. Answers are so mixed, I decided to combine the two. So we're gonna make a lamb and shrimp curry today, y'all. Let's get it. We got olive oil. Extra virgin, ain't no expensive shit, you know, I'm a trucker. Put it in there. A little bit more. There we go. Put that down here. Alright, we got the olive oil in. We got the deboned, this is lamb shoulder going in. I know that splattered a little bit more than I thought it would. We're gonna add some curry powder. Turmeric. We got the salt. Himalayan pink, of course. Put that in. Y'all know I did my Subway run. So I got the veggies from Subway for free. Black pepper. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit before I add anything else. Alright, y'all, we back. We gonna get this curry keep going. We got some purple onions. Boom. And bell peppers. These are from Subway. Got some ginger, just a little bit. There we go. We got some habaneros because we couldn't find no Scotch bonnets, but we found some habaneros. We're gonna get that cooked down. And then I'll be back with the next step. Alright, y'all. It's not cooked down yet, but I forgot to put the garlic in. There we go. There's the garlic. So we back, and we got these onions. I put a little bit, I forgot to put the paprika in, so I put it in. If y'all can smell what this truck smells like, my God, y'all would be jealous. Oh. You see how that shit's coming together real nice. We still got the coconut milk, the yogurt to put in. Of course, unsweetened, unflavored yogurt. Alright, y'all, we got the coconut milk. Yes, we got the coconut milk. We're gonna put that in. We got the yogurt. We're gonna put that in. I'm gonna mix this around, get it incorporated, and then the shrimp will come in. All right, y'all, we got a quarter stick of butter, and we got the ready rice about to go in. I just got to open it. I'm about to feed some drivers here at the yard. So I'm gonna put 2 of these in. This Ben's ready rice. Hey, this is the best way to do it. You can't just put it in the microwave, because it still come out kind of hard. Take some of the butter on, put it right at the bottom, and then the part I forgot. I didn't think about. Then you gotta take some of the butter and put some more on top. Because when you do, when you put more butter on top, it just tenderizes that rice, because the ready rice is cooked al dente, so it's not super soft. You gotta get it right. So we're gonna close this. We got the curry right next to it. The curry is simmering. When the rice is almost done, I put the shrimp in the curries. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we got the shrimp. I already peeled the tail off, deveined. We're gonna put those in. Put that right there. We're just gonna put those underneath the liquid and cover it up. Alright, y'all, we about to plate it up. We got some rice right here. We got the shrimp, some lamb, there we go. And we're gonna take some of this curry sauce. We're gonna pour it right on top. There we go. It's more like a curry gravy. See? Boom. And that's dinner, y'all. Lamb and shrimp curry. And I'm gone, baby.